I ranked these prediction filters from best to worst.
Oh, I'm not supposed to put it. Oh my god, I just thought I was gonna live forever.
Bro will never find real love. Someone get grandma because her time might be coming soon.
Va subiendo el número.
Either he doesn't understand the game or we need to check up on him right now. I feel bad for whoever this man's wife is.
Now I have to. Let's see. Let me shoot the pump. Let me cry. Let me cry. Let me cry. I don't want to look. Let me cry. Let me